Hi guys, good morning. Mao ni among view karon, weekend view. This is our weekend vibes. A beautiful nature vibe. Hiningal ako. This is my second time around to be here. So, it's nice to be back here in Pinamungahan, Anislag, Cebu City. This is part of a southern Cebu, and my friend bring us here. So, dinala kami ng kaibigan namin dito. Kagabi kami dumating. Mga alas 12 yata yun. So, this is what I love. Nature. I really love this place since the house is near. They have a tiny river beside your house. Ayan guys. So ito yung gustong-gusto ko guys na bahay na mayroong tapa sa gilid. Ayan, so there's mountain over there. So you can move mountain talaga. Magugustuhin. Ayan guys, so ito ay mga libreng gala. No, be responsible gala. Ayan, mamaya may kakatay ng manok na Bisaya. Di ba? So, may kalabaw din doon.